Hello my dear viewers, welcome to our 5 to 9 Club channel where we are trying to make our work, play and financial freedom journey a sexy one. After a day I uploaded the game changer execution idea for your financial freedom journey video. My brother told me that, see, I'm a person, I travel and I go to office and I work from 9 to 5 and come back. So how is it possible for me to spend first working on our financial freedom journey because I'll be there in office? And I started thinking about it. Yeah, his point is valid. And in the similar way, one of my friend also asked me, see, there are a lot of people who travel 2 hours, 3 hours to reach their office, work 8 to 9 hours, come back from office, spending 2 to 3 hours on traveling, and they need to spend some time with their family and entertainment. How is there any way for them to spend 1 hour on their financial freedom journey? They are tired by this traveling, all those things. So when he told this point, I requested him for a few seconds, let's forget what's happening around you, what other people are thinking or doing. Just focus on ourselves first. Let's focus on you only. And I asked him to focus on himself first, and I also asked him that have you checked video properly? There I've told if you are struggling to spend 1 hour on your financial freedom journey, you can start at least 15 minutes. The goal is to build a habit, a foundation on which we will kind of work on our financial freedom journey. Now, and yesterday I had a call with him. I asked him, are you spending 15 minutes on your financial freedom journey? He said yes. I felt very happy, and I asked him, are you feeling happy nowadays because you are spending some time on your financial freedom journey? He told, yes, absolutely I feel happy. I asked the reason. He told me that my goal is to build a movie. I want to create a movie, but it's a very big goal. But that's not the only way through which I can convey my story. I have a story to tell, but by spending 15 minutes, I'm also started finding other ways through which I can tell my story. So possibilities are unlimited. We don't know how we are going to reach our dream project, start working on our dream project. But it's very essential, very important that we should start working on it first, right? So I've already spoken about building a habit in this video itself. So my request is again, please spend at least 15 minutes on your financial freedom journey so that we will be able to reach our financial freedom. And it's our channel responsibility to put more content on it, how to fetch more time and how to utilize that time more efficiently. I will definitely work on it. I'll definitely create more content on it. So until then, start spending some time on your financial freedom journey. Start building the habit base on which you can reach your financial freedom, and let's make our work, play and financial freedom journey. Thank you so much for your time and interest towards becoming financially free, through which you can help yourself, your family better and make this world a better place by you being happy. So bye bye.